Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel, Intelligible Tutorials. In my past video, this is the machine learning with K nearest neighborhood algorithm explanation implementation using Python video number part 2. So in the part 1 video, I showed you the contents like importing the necessary libraries and importing the data into the data set, and next we are going to see various kinds of pre-processing kind of the things like slicing values, sorting values, unique values, and getting the statistical information, random sampling, and then getting the shape, slicing from particular location, sorting, putting index, and all these things we have seen in my past video. This is the continuation video of this. So here, after this, all doing all these things, slicing, dicing, and all. Now we are going to define the. We made the entire data as machine learning algorithm ready. Okay. So now what we are going to see is we have to uh, feed this for training and as well as the testing. We have to feed the data for training and as well as the testing. We checked the null values and all. We identified the correlation, etc., etc. And now what I am going to see is just I want to define the values. I have to define such and kind of values. Those are C. Um, Number one, x and y. So what is x and what is y? X is equal to, in my past videos I told what are they, we can say dependent variables and as well as the independent variables. So what is the decision variable or dependent variable here is nothing but am. See, am is the decision variable which is going to, which is already always described as the boolean values here. See, it is the decision variable. We need to decide what type of it is. Okay. So remaining all are independent variables which are imposing to take the decision of the particular decision variable. Okay. So now this is x. These are the set of variables, and this is y, a independent variable or the decision variable, and all these are the dependent variables. Okay. So now we are going to split the data set into uh, some training data and as well as the test data. So what is the training data and test data? So training data means we are going to feed the data into the algorithm to train. Testing means we are going to check the unseen data. So for that we need to use this x is equal to, first of all we need to define x. For that we are slicing the respective variables which are independent, and y is equal to, we are extracting or slicing which is dependent, like this. So colon comma means we are getting these number of variables as a set of this, and y is equal to, we are getting these, and we are pre-processing dot scale is used. We are making them as the pre-processing x. We are doing the pre-processing on the variable, on the all the variables of x, all the independent variables, and we are splitting the data into test and train. So x underscore train, x underscore test, y underscore train, y underscore test is equal to train underscore test underscore split x comma y. Test size is equal to 0.3. Means what? We are going to give 0.7% as the training data. That means some around 67 point of the data approximately we are going to give as the training data, and remaining entire data is acting as a test data which is also treated as the unseen data. And random state, the state of the particular algorithm from the data set, it is going to start with state number 10. Okay. And checking the shape, now the training shape is, we have extracted only 5 number of the features with 22 number of the columns. The percentage 67 means it is going to give you just 22 number of the columns. And now what you are going to see, you are defining the model. What is the name of the model? K neighbors classifier. N underscore neighbors is equal to 1. Initially, we are saying, as in the previous algorithmic explanation, the nearest neighbor points will be there, but these are initially by default will be 1. So then model underscore KNN dot fit, we are fitting the train data into that particular model, x underscore train and as well as y underscore train. Okay. Okay. X underscore train and as well as y underscore train. And then we are making the prediction. We defined a variable called y underscore predict, and there model underscore knn dot predict x underscore test. All the x variables as test we are predicting here to to getting into the y underscore predicting. And finally we are checking the model accuracy by using the confusion matrix. In the confusion matrix hold two different kinds of the parameters, y underscore test comma y underscore predict. Okay, so this is the variable I explained in my past video. The structure of the confusion matrix, that is 6103, true positive, true negative, false positive, false negative. So truly classified will give you the accuracy of this particular algorithm, 6 plus 3, that is 9. That means totally 90% is the accuracy of this algorithm on this particular data set. And then print the classification report, y underscore test comma y underscore predict. Here we are printing the precision values, recall values, f1 score, support, etc., etc. All these I have given in the all these things I have given in my past videos. Please go through that. If at all you have any doubts, if at all you want to comment anything, please comment in my videos, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.